So you've seen the trick, here's how you do it. I have a deck that is specially set up for this trick. It's a great trick. It's kind of like a joke. I think it's really great. So the deck is set up so that it is like this, and I have it's in a very specific order. All right. So I've got from here to here. This is all the magician's part of the deck, from the 6 of diamonds, and then all of these are the 23 cards. Okay, so you notice what you have to have is you have to have 23 cards total. You need to have 16 black cards total, and you need to have 6 hearts, and then also the 6 of diamonds. All right, so when you spread the cards out, you look for the 6 of diamonds. I always have that as like, that's my dividing point. So I take this out right here, okay, 6 of diamonds. Then I have one participant shuffle these cards and one participant shuffle these cards, or if it's just one person, then I'll do it. So I have them shuffle on the table. This shuffle doesn't matter because this one is okay. They can do this one. It's safe. Okay. As you'll see, it's like really important that, let me make sure it's filming. Yes, it's filming. So it's really important that they don't get mixed up, okay, when you're doing it. All right, so you have them shuffle. Encourage them to do a table wash. This is safe, okay? All right, that's good. So this is all about shuffles, all right? So they're separate, right? Then you have them cut each of their piles, roughly in half like that, okay? Now you have them choose one pile to flip over. So they flip over this, they can flip over, let's say this one, okay? Now you, magician, you switch the piles, okay? Okay, is that clear? I just chose the upright. You can do the face down piles, okay? Shuffle these together, and this is a good shuffle. So you're watching them as they're doing it. If they want to pick up the deck and they shuffle this way and then they put it down funny, have them like do the first shuffle and then say, hey, just do a table wash, okay? This is the part, it can be critical. This is where I've messed up the trick so many times, right? So they do this, they can do a table wash like this, okay? That's fine, like that, you know. You have to kind of keep track. Here's the part where the trick can fall apart, all right? Now, notice I'm gonna be laying it down like this. You have to watch really carefully, okay? So, you tell a participant to turn over one of the piles, okay? Doesn't matter which one, flip it over, okay? Now, other participant, tell them to shuffle this together, okay? And this, now it's safe, okay? Now they can shuffle, they can shuffle all this stuff. It's gonna be fine, all right? Now, they're done shuffling, right? And encourage them, if they're not a good at shuffling, encourage them to do it on the table or to do a table wash, okay? But right now the trick is done. It's literally done, okay? What you have to do is spread the cards out. Now you can flip it over, it's okay. So look through the deck, look for the 6 of diamonds, okay? If you don't see it, pick the whole thing up and then flip it over like that. And just show them, see, this deck is a mess, okay? Okay, once you're here, the trick is basically done. All you need is your little booklet, okay? So here's what you do. This, it's important for magicians to know how people shuffle cards. Usually I say that at the beginning of the trick. I show them this, and then I will read it out loud. So first one, and this is a trick that that adults will think is hilarious, okay? Demographic level 1, the general population at large. So that's people around everywhere, okay? Over 50% will randomly shuffle so that exactly 23 cards are face up. All right, so then just show them. 23 cards are face up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 cards are face up. It worked. Okay, next, the second level of the study, this was demographic level 2, which were audiences watching magic. This is all made up. None of this is real. This is all just a made up study. And you can tell them that at the end, like this is all just made up. All right, over 75% will randomly shuffle so that the face-up pile has 16 black cards. Let's see, 16 black cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Whoa, it worked. By the way, I'm not sure how this works, but it does work, okay? It's something to do with that with all the shuffling and switching and stuff, the A pile, the one that has the 6 of diamonds, and the B pile always have the same face up, face down orientation. I don't know how it works, but it has to do with that. So if it's oriented this way or this way, that's the way that it works, okay? Back to the trick. Demographic level 3, discriminating intelligent helpers. This is the funniest part here. Over 99.3% will randomly shuffle so that the face-up red cards are all hearts. So you spread the cards out like this, and you go, see, they're all hearts. Oh, and you go, oh, wow, this is crazy. Look, Queen, Jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You can even show them that. Like, wow, that's like a perfect poker hand. And then they'll go, wait a minute, wait. That's not a heart, that's a diamond. And you go, oh no. And you take the booklet and you go, well, oh, there's more in here. So, or you can play it up. You go, well, that's, it says 99.3%. So maybe this is the 0.7% of that, right? Or you can even funnier is you can say, oh, but it says discriminating intelligent helpers. So maybe my helpers aren't, it's a joke. It's funny, okay? And then you say, oh, but there's more. Wait, with a statistical margin of error for the 6 of diamonds. And there it is. That's how you do shuffleboard. All right? So follow the rules, follow the steps, and it works every time. If this trick is all about audience management. You have to make sure that they're not going to pick up the cards, because if they pick up the cards and they shuffle them together and they're not careful, like, right? If they're not careful and they shuffle them like this and then they put it down, they flip it over, that's where this trick can go sideways. It cannot work, all right? But if you do what it says to do, what I said in the video, how to do it, it works. It's amazing. All right, thanks.